Hey guys, this is Emma from LoomingLegends. In this video, I will be showing you how to make this Loomigurumi chicken nugget, which is an original design of mine, and it goes really well with my tater tot design, so I'll be linking that in the iCard up there if you want to go check it out. So let's get on to the supplies you will be needing and the band count. So, for this chicken nugget, you'll be needing a hook, a C-clip, 2 6mm beads if you want a face, as well as the string for the beads, stuffing, well not this much. You'll be needing 52 of your main color, plus an additional 2 if you are doing the eyes, and then plus an additional 2 of your cheek color. So let me keep it short for you guys. Let's get on to the tutorial. So we will be starting off by making the eyes of our chicken nugget. So I have one I already made, and again this is optional because you might not want to make a face on your chicken nugget. Anyways, you want your clear string and one band and your bead. So you want to grab your band, slide it through the string, meet it up at the middle, fold your string in half, and try to make the two ends as equal as possible just to make it easier for yourself. Okay, there we go. So then we can grab our bead and slide your bead through those two ends of the string like so, then pull, and then your bead is on your band, then slide the string out. So you want to pause the video here and make another eye. Now we can get started on the chicken nugget. So you want to start by making a cap band. So put your band on the hook, twist it, and bring it back on. Then we want to chain 2. So grab a band, slide through the cap band, and then push this end on your hook down, and then bring this end back on. And you want to chain another band. So like that. Then what you want to do is you want to bring this loop over this loop, so you just want to go like that. And then we're going to put 4 into each stitch, so that's already 1. So you want to go in. So I'm just going to demonstrate that again. You want to make sure it's like this, not like that. Make sure your chain looks like this. Then go in through this way. Grab a band, pull it through, reclaim, then bring these 2 loops over the front, so that's stitch 2, and we're going to do that 2 more times in this stitch. So that's 3, and then 4, and then we want to go into this upper cap band right here, and then put 4 single crochets in that cap band. So that's 1, go back in, 2, go back in, 3, go back in, 1 more time, and then 4. And then you want to grab your C-clip and add to that front loop around your hook. So round 2 is 2 single crochets followed by an increase to get to 10 stitches. So you want to do 2 single crochets. So to do a single crochet, you go into the stitch, you grab a band, you slide through the first 2 loops to reclaim, then you bring these 2 loops over the front, so that's 1 single crochet. You want to do another one. Then for your increase, an increase is 2 single crochets in a stitch. So that's 1 single crochet, go back in, and do a second. So you want to do this all the way around until you reach your stitch marker. Ending off with 2 single crochets. Then you can grab your C-clip and add it to the front loop around your hook. So our next rounds are 3 rounds of single crochet. So I will be doing one round with you on camera. So then you want to pause the video and do 2 rounds off camera, or you could just pause the video and do all 3 rounds off camera. All 3 rounds while the video's paused. Sorry. if I sound pretty confusing today. So just single crocheting all the way around in the 10 stitches. So you want to pause the video here and do 2 more rounds of single crochet. And I recommend each time you do a round, you put a band down. Welcome back everyone, you should have something that looks like this. Our next round is doing invisible decreases all the way around. So you want to start by going into this first stitch, grabbing a band, sliding through the stitch, reclaiming, but only bringing this loop over. This keeps sliding out, okay. Like that. Then you want to go into the next stitch over, grab another band, slide through the stitch only, reclaim, then you want to bring this loop over only, and then bring these 2 other loops over. So you want to do this all the way around. So remember, pull, reclaim, slide 1 loop, and then go into the next stitch, pull through, reclaim, slide 1 loop, and then slide through the 2. So there you go. So our next round we will be needing our stuffing. So you just want a blob of stuffing, you don't really need too much. So I recommend just scooting this up on top of your hook, opening up your chicken nugget, and then just stuffing it in. I think that's a bit too much. There we go. And the tip to check that your stuffing is in, if you roll it, if any stuffing comes out, pull it out, it's excess stuffing. But once everything doesn't roll out, you're good. So our next round is decreasing till closed, so we can take our stitch marker off, then just put 3 bands down. So we're just going to be doing a normal decrease, so that's when you grab the front loop and then the back loop. Grab a band, slide through those 2 loops, reclaim, and slide. So that's decrease 1. Decrease number 2. And then decrease 3. But before we decrease, we want to do a slip stitch, which is when we pull our band through all of the loops on our hook, reclaim, and then slip knot. Then you can go inside some stitches of your chicken nugget, grab your slip knot, and just slide it on in. Try to get it fully hidden, or as much as you can. Okay, so there is our chicken nugget. If you don't want your chicken nugget to have a face, then you can just leave the video. But if you do want your chicken nugget to have a face, keep watching. So as you can see, we have the top. So we want to add our eyes right here. So the chains, round 1, round 2. Then you want to go here, grab your bead, slide your bead band through those 2 loops, reclaim, and then slide, slip knot it semi-tight. Before we tuck it in, we want to do our other eye to make sure it looks okay. So I'm going to go right here, grab my bead band, pull it through, reclaim, and then slip knot. Then I'm going to tuck both ends inside my nugget. Oh, pulled up a bit of stuffing, it's fine. Try to pull that stuffing back in. And these beads can be quite hard to get in, so if you can't get it in on the first try, that's fine. There's the first one. Then we have to tuck in this one. So there we go. Oop, no, this fell out. Thought I was done. Okay. See, as you can see, these bands are quite a struggle to get in, mainly because I think I might have understuffed a little bit, but overall I think it's pretty nice. Okay, so once you have something that looks like this, you can grab your cheek bands and start inserting them in. So you want to go into the stitch underneath the eye. You want to be very careful with this. Grab your cheek band, slide it through, reclaim, and then slide it like that. But you don't want to tug super tight, but you don't want to tug too loose that your band will fall out. So I think here's about good. Go in a few stitches close to your cheek band, and then just carefully slide this in like that. So you can push this over a bit like that. So then I'm going to do the same thing across. So go into the stitch beneath the eye, grab your band, slide it through, reclaim, lightly slip knot but not too light, tug a little bit, go inside a stitch or two and tug your cheek band in. So that is your chicken nugget. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!